Introducing MultiClick, an automatic printing plate cleaning solution for the corrugated board market. The machine offers two configurations. First, one with a fixed carrier of 20 bars. As the height of the printing plate carriage is very similar to the one of the machine, the loading and unloading of the printing plates is easy and takes no more than 5 seconds per printing plate. The second configuration includes a mobile 20 bars trolley that is introduced directly on the machine without any need of operator intervention. MultiClick offers optimal cleaning with little consumption of recirculated detergent and pressurized water, which allows cleaning and drying of the printing plate in a quick and efficient way, all in a single space and with a single piece of equipment. MultiClick is equipped with a touchscreen that allows an easy handling for the operator and offers the possibility to parameterize the speed, the detergent and water consumption, and the drying time, among other things. MultiClick minimizes the risk of printing plate breakage and can clean all types of printing plates, solid, liquid, with or without foam, regardless of the condition of the printing plate or the rod. MultiClick offers optimal cleaning with reduced consumption of recirculated detergent and pressurized water. MultiClick helps you save time by allowing automatic loading, unloading and cleaning without any intervention from the operator, which eliminates downtime. The printing plates come out of the machine completely clean and dry, ready to be stored and prepared for the next run, which optimizes resources and reduces costs. We offer the possibility to finance the purchase of MultiClick through the consumption of the detergent.